Hello guys, I want to show you how you can remove a background from an image using CapCut. So let's get started. So I'm just going to go to my CapCut app, open it, then click on expand from here. Then we have remove background image option here. So I'm just going to press it to load. Then I will look for the image that I want to remove the background. In this case, I'm going to use this image. So after that, I'll just click on add, then it will start removing the background. So here we are, it has automatically removed the background from the picture. So I can actually replace the background with any other preferred background. For example, I can choose to use this or this or this or this or this. Just you can just pick any of the background that you like from here. I think I'm going to use this other one for this video. So after that, all you need to do is just to export it. So I click here to export. So that is done. So you can actually share the picture on your TikTok. In this case, I'm not going to do that. So that is that. So if I go to my gallery now, if I go to my gallery, you will notice that the picture that we just no, the background is actually here. So that is it. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more updates on trick and tips. Thank you.